Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I will tell you how you can fix Instagram error. Music is not available in this region. For example, if you want to fix an Instagram error which is as this music is not available in your region. For example, if I go to an Instagram story, if I click on story options on the Instagram and I want to upload an Instagram story and click on gallery and select a random photo from my Instagram story. As you can see in the video, if I scroll up, then here I will find the music option. Many of the Instagram users don't have that option, or if they select that music option, then they don't get the music in their region and error occurs. To solve this error, you have to click on three lines. After that, you have to click on settings. After that, you have to click on account, and after that you can click on switch to professional account. If you switch to professional account, your error can be solved by a simple method. If you don't get this error fixed, then there are also many methods which can solve this error. After you have switched to professional account and you have not fixed this error, then you have to go back. After going back, you have to click on Play Store and you have to update your Instagram so that any error related to your old Instagram can be automatically fixed by the latest version of the Instagram. After you have updated Instagram, you have to close the Play Store and again open the Instagram on your device. If you open Instagram, then hope you will find this error fixed. If this not fixed, then you have to again check your Instagram story. As you can see in the video, if I select again the same method and I get music option in my story, but if you don't get, then there is another solution, which is as you have to click on three lines. After three lines, you have to go to settings. In settings, you have to click on report a problem, and which means you have to report this problem to Instagram team so that they can get you an easy solution or fix for that problem. You can also attach screenshot of that problem you are facing by using your gallery pictures. After you have taken the screenshot of the problems like music is not available in your region, you can type your problem to Instagram team as hi Insta team. After that, you have to click on enter button. After that, you can mention your error, and after clicking on submit, your report will be submitted to Instagram. Hope you have liked this information. Kindly like this video and subscribe our channel and press the bell icon.